Develop that. Learn that. And have a discipline with your behavior. No one can do it for you. No one can even change you. It's really your choice. Lagi sinasabi natin kasi nahawa ko sa kanya. No, it's your choice every day. Develop that. Learn that. And have a discipline with your behavior. No one can do it for you. No one can even change you. It's really your choice. Lagi sinasabi natin kasi nahawa ko sa kanya. No, it's your choice every day. Always make sure that you are consistent and intentional with your behavior. So that is your story for your life now here in the bank. So you can tell me more why you are not achieving it, or you can tell me more how you can achieve the remaining 90. So kung kulang, double up. Yun yung story mo. What are you going to do, how to double up? And pag na-achieve mo, then share with others paano mo na-achieve, because that's a story. Now, kung talagang it doesn't work pa rin after a month, then let's talk again. Let's see what we can adjust. See, hindi niya ako tinakot. It changed my mind. So, nung nagpunta na rin ako sa mga iba't ibang boss, kasi naging department head pa ako, sa mas iba na yan, mas iba na KPI, may tao na, meron pang mga project plan and so on. Iba na ang tingin ko sa data. I saw it as an accountability partner, a metric that can help me define my story and rewrite my story. We cannot control the way they will tell you. We cannot control the way they will describe your performance. But what we can control is our behavior, our mindset when we are receiving this data. So now, ikaw magsabi, no matter how they are delivering it to me or telling me those figures, that's my story. There. So when you are very good in being consistent at one thing or two things, one at a time talaga yan, I really can guarantee you will achieve results. We focus on behavior and not results. Kasi we focus sometimes, so dapat ito na kasi end ko. Mag-focus ka muna kaya sa behavior, yung kailangan mong behavior para ma-achieve yun, yung kailangan mong i-enhance, ano yung accountability mo, at saan ka dapat maging consistent. Magugulat ka, everything will fall into place. So, as SE or matured SE who wants to succeed, you also want to teach yourself to have the behavior and discipline to adjust. Be willing to adjust to standards because you are now thinking higher than just a standard. You are thinking of your dreams, and you know you can achieve your dreams only when you are disciplined to apply beach every day. So every day, aside from your sales quota activities, don't forget to check also on yourself. No one cares about you, tama ba? Well, meron, but yun talaga i-detail ka, wala. So please do it for yourself. It is actually a lifestyle to communicate your feeling good, your clarity, your identity, and who you are as a person. We wanted to also create a system sa sale. First, learn how to show empathy. Then, ano yung next na binanggit ko na rin kanina sa managing rejection? Ask probing questions. And don't worry, binigyan ko rin kayo dyan ng mga script. Ano na may L? Leverage and authority and social proof. That's why very, very important talaga yan. And practice, strategize kung paano mo sasabihin at i-deliver yung tinatawag nating emphasis on urgency. And kasi sa totoo lang, lahat naman ginagawa rin yung, ma'am, last day na po ng promo. So kailangan talaga mas higher ka pa sa style ng iba. Kaya hindi minamadali ang preparation. Bine-brainstorm yan, iniisip yan, at nire-research din. Kaya gusto ko yung combination ng tinatanong mo na yung successful kasi nagawa niya na, at nagre-research ka pa kung anong latest.
So, in-expect ko lang na everybody will participate and will do their best. No? Expect natin na marami tayo matutunan pa. And don't get intimidated pag nagkamali. Kasi lagi ko sinasabi, di ba? Ulitin ko ulit. So, kung nagkakamali tayo lahat, siguro sa training, isa yun sa mga goal natin na dapat ito yung maging opportunity natin na makorek natin yung pagkakamali natin. So, huwag tayo matakot magkamali. Instead, mas magkaroon tayo ng motivation na mas matuto pa.
Well, for me, masaya ako kasi napili akong judge. Why? Kasi favorite ko maging judgmental. Hindi. But because they trusted me na makakapag-share ako sa inyo ng tamang knowledge based on experience and meaning to say based on facts, based on natutunan natin kay Miss Tony. So, huwag kayong kabahan. Magkamali man, hindi yan negative, don't let it to be like negative impact sa inyo, but consider it as one of your learnings.
So, ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo is, huwag kayong kabahan. So, isipin na lang natin na nangyayari ito sa totoong buhay. So, may experience na tayo dito. Yun lang.
Challenges are inevitable. So whenever you're going through challenges, whenever you are missing on the mark, remember who you are. So let's all inspire, influence, and create that big positive impact so we become extraordinary inside and out.
Hi, I'm Joshua from Hino Negros. Thank you, Ms. Tony. I enjoyed your 3-day sales executive masterclass training because it really helped boost my confidence. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dennis from Hino Carmona. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love your 3-day sales executive masterclass training. It helped me a lot to improve myself. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Iglito Rimando from Hino NRA, Cebu. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love your 3D Sales Executive Masterclass training because it helps me and improves me for what I am and for who I am from now on.
Hi, I'm Mark Randy Landingin from Hino, Pasig. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love your 3-day Sales Executive Masterclass training because it helped me realize that I still need to improve myself in terms of my attitude and my work ethics, especially in time management.
Hi, I'm Daniel Lopez from Hino, Balintawak. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love 3-day Sales Executive Masterclass training because it helped me to be the better version of myself.
Hello po, I am Clint Michael Kidlat from Hino, Butuan. Thank you, Miss Tony, for teaching us, for help us to improve ourselves from our looks, our gestures, and how to proper wear. So, nakakatulong po talaga, lalo na kapag nagbebenta kami, humaharap sa customers. Thank you for the additional knowledge that we need to improve to ourselves. Yun lang po. Maraming po salamat. Thank you po.
Hi, I'm Patricia from Hino, Laguna, and I would like to thank Miss Tony because I love your 3-day Sales Executive Masterclass training kasi mas nakilala ko yung sarili ko. Akala ko noon, okay na ako. Akala ko noon, tama lahat na yung mga ginagawa ko pagdating sa work, pagdating sa decision making sa life. Pero nung na-attendan ko yung 3-day training mo, mas lalo kong nakilala yung sarili ko at yung mga dapat na ways na gagawin ko, kung yung paano yung tamang way ng pagkausap sa client, pagharap sa client. So yan, maraming salamat at tatanawin kong blessing to talaga kasi nakilala kita, ma'am. So yan, thank you.
Hi, my name is Manilyn Cabusao from Hino, Naga, Cebu. Thank you, Miss Tony. I love your 3-day Sales Executive Masterclass training because it helped me to boost my confidence And yung paano po ako nagiging makita ko yung sarili ko, napaka-importante po ang number one po ang spiritual, yung pagiging unang-una ang sa buhay is ang Panginoon talaga. Para lahat ng source sa buhay is siya lang talaga ang yun mag-stand. At yung pagtingin sa sarili ko, unahin lagi ang sarili para para paglabas natin sa bahay o paglabas natin sa pagtrabaho sa sales is yun makikita talaga yung natutunan namin, yung laging unahin ang sarili, ayusin lagi ang sarili.
Hi, I'm Jay Flores from Hino Abad Santos. Thank you, Miss Tony, and I enjoy your 3 days sales executive masterclass training, and because it's helped me na ma-improve yung mga dapat i-improve sa akin, kagaya ng pananamit at mga dapat na salita at kung paano makipag-usap sa clients ng mas formal na pananalita.
Hi, my name is Eric Abella from Hino Motors Philippines. So thank you, Miss Tony. I enjoyed your 3-day sales executive masterclass training because it helped me to regain and establish my self-confidence. Sabi nyo nga, self-confidence is a choice. So it's also the key for awareness and required for self-development, self-leadership, and self-awareness. So thank you again, Miss Tony.
Hi, I'm Julius Ray Matalag from Hino Motors Philippines. Thank you, Miss Tony, for the 3-day sales executive masterclass training because it helped me a lot. So technically, we're very happy and we appreciate really your effort to motivate all of our sales executives across the nation. So maraming salamat dahil sa mga turo ninyo, mas napapalawak natin yung kaalaman ng bawat isa, especially sa sales ng ating dealer networks. So I do hope that mas marami pang chances and opportunities na ma-create para mas mabigyan natin ng malawak na kaalaman ng bawat isa. And I hope to see you again for our more lessons and opportunities. Thank you, Miss Tony, and always be happy.